I'm a talking parrot.
Please talk to me. Please talk to me. Please say something.
Hey, buddy!
No response, huh? Fucking useless cunts. Oh well, at least I guess I can talk to myself, right? They always said it's something that intelligent beings do. Butt sauce. Butt bird scallops. Do you ever wonder what it's like to get caught in the crossfire of some dumbass TikToker desperate for internet clout? I'm not sure what I would do. Probably try to just casually fly away like I'm really generic and not of interest. But what happens when they try to grab my feet and be all like, "This isn't my car! My car's for a group of New World parrots that are long-tailed and often colorful!" Come on now. I don't want to be in your stupid video. Doesn't matter if you have like 400 followers. At the end of the day, you are the same mortal flesh. And you can't fly. Haha! I've been waiting on this shipment for a while now. No, it's not a week's worth of crackers. You see, I recently brought an old mechanical calculator home and it's not really working as it should. There's a very specific kind of wrench I need to get it fixed and... Hello! God damn it, not you again. I just got back from Walmart! My new kid stand just hatched! Yeah, that's great. I really don't care. Everyone does it all the time. Come on! Don't you think it's the most amazing thing ever? We had a cool gender reveal party sometime back! Put blue paint all over an unsuspecting Robin! It was hilarious! You serious? They're all boys! How unfortunate. Hey, you want to hear something funny? What? Join me, keep flushing those toilets.